Hey there, scrappy friends. Suzanne here in the studio today with the Let's Create Together March 2024 kit. This is a quarterly kit that Scrapbook and Cards Today is doing, and it is kind of reminds me of the old-fashioned way that kit clubs first started out, and they would combine just a couple of paper lines from some well-known manufacturers, and that's what we have in this kit. I'm really looking forward to playing with it. It comes along with a Facebook group as well as videos showing you how to do a couple of different layouts by Meg and Andrew. So let's see what we got. First of all, the first of the paper lines we got was from American Crafts, and it was by Celes Gonzalo, and it's called Rainbow Avenue. So we got 2 pieces of this. There's the back. We got one of these with the tags on it and ledger paper on the back. We got 2 of these plaid pages. That's on the back. Oh, look, here's another one of those tags with the ledger on the back. And then this last one is the actual rainbows, of course. And on the back, ooh, we've got this pretty ombre paper. Okay. And they also gave us the alphabet and the puffy stickers. So that's a real cute collection. Looking forward to playing with that. And they combined that with Fresh Air from Simple Stories. Here we have this. These are journal elements. And on the back, we've got that bright text. We also have the 3x4 elements. We got 2 of these. So they're the 3x4. And then on the back, we have this gorgeous gingham. And then we have this cute, this is adorable. This almost reminds me of Doodlebug, not cute. And on the back, we've got dots. Here we have the tags, elements, and on the back of that, more tags. That's very fun. Then we have these pretty butterflies with a small floral on the back. And this pretty floral. Oh, I love these pink flowers. That's really pretty. So I really like this collection. This is really nice. And to go along with that, they gave us the sticker sheet and the rub-ons. Alrighty. So there's that collection. What else came in the kit, you say? Well, they did give us some cardstock. We got a couple of pieces of nice sturdy white. We got Color Vibe Daffodil from Simple Stories. We got 2 of those. And that has a tone-on-tone dot on one side and then solid. And then we had the textured cardstock in mint. Same thing. Solid on one side and tone-on-tone dots on the other. Then they gave us this exclusive die, which cuts a 3x3 Polaroid frame. And they gave us some clear enamel dots. Okay, I'll be back in a bit to show you what we did in the class and what I did on my own. Okay, let's take a peek at the finished product, shall we? Here is the first double layout that Meg and Andrew did. It's really pretty. I like how she used all the different elements. We have stickers, we have rub-ons. Some of the rub-ons I actually did on cardstock first, and some were direct to paper. We have tags. We have butterflies, fussy cut, and rub-ons. We've got fussy cut flowers. We've got some pretty puffy stickers. So we've used all kinds of things, and it's really a bright and colorful and really well designed in that she used the rainbow here. When she cut up this paper, she was very deliberate about how she did it so that that paper color goes across the page. And then I like that we've got 3 photos here and 3 photos there. So very pretty. She did a great job. Okay. Then she did a single, but I wanted to turn this into a double. And here is my double. I actually bought a few more pieces of each of these 2 collections. One, because I had miscut this one paper. The one paper she's using here is a cut apart cards, and you used some of the cut apart cards, and I hadn't cut it the way she did, so I thought I was going to be in trouble, so I went ahead and bought paper. But as it turned out, I didn't need to, because another gal, Natalie, was going to be doing the another single from leftovers, and she had a workaround for that, so I didn't really need to do that. So kudos to them for anticipating what the problem would be and giving us a solution. I did use Natalie's layout just kind of for photo placement, but then I just wanted to echo some of the elements over here. For example, the oversized photo corners. I did smaller version here. This big banner that we had done here, I did it in a smaller version over here using rub-ons. I tilted my title like they did. Since they had a tag here, I used 2 tags here. So let me give you a close-up of some of my embellishment clusters. So very fun. Very, very fun to play with all of these different elements. Okay, then I wanted to make a double of my own. So I used a lot of the strips of paper here, and I was putting them at an angle, so I was kind of overlapping. I should have taken a picture before I put the photo mats on. And then I did this strip here across to sort of ground it. We've got some of this pretty bright yellow that ties in with this and this. And then we've got rub-ons here. We've got another one of those banners from the rub-ons, and this today. And then I had quite a few of those stickers I still wanted, excuse me, I still wanted to use up. So I used a lot of the words here. Then I also added some journal strips. And overall, I just think this turned out really cute. I've got the stickers here, the little tabs, one here and one here. I was just very happy with how this turned out. Let me show you some of the embellishment clusters up close. I love stacking these little stickers. That's a fun technique, I think. Okay, so that was 6 pages, 3 double layouts. So then I went to the singles, and when I get kind of down to just having a lot less paper, then I feel like I can just really play and not have to be too particular. One of the things I did here, it might be hard to pick up on camera. I think you can see it better on the reverse side. I actually scored sort of a plaid pattern across the middle of the page, and you can see it subtly sort of around the edges of the page on the front side. Basically, I did a 5x7 photo here, and then since I had quite a few of the rub-ons I wanted to use up, I didn't really want to put those in my stash because rub-ons can, you know, they can expire. They can start to get flaky and just not transfer as well once they're old. So I used this sticker here and then a couple of the rub-ons to do a visual triangle of these little wreaths. And then again, using some more of those word stickers. Show you some close-ups. Lovely day. here, Live and Let Grow, Sunshine and Smiles. So it's just a great page for some nice spring photos. And then I just wanted to be really kind of whimsical here. I still had these chicken stickers left, so I thought, oh, you know, Chicken Scratch came to me. I thought that would be a cute title, especially in this wonderful Thickers foam alphabet they had given us. And then I cut some more of these little fish tail banners there and put those up in the corner, and then just kind of finished it out. Cute, just fun. We can do some journaling here on this card, and we've just got chickens and flowers and everything. Very fun. All right, at that point I just had very small scraps left, so I did a few cards. So here, let me zoom in. This one, this frog sticker I just had to use. And then I added some more shimmery enamel dots from my stash. Hello today. Here, this one's very simple. Again, we've got those shimmery enamel dots. And then this is just one of those cards. And then these are some leftover pink and peach die cuts I had from an old Queen and Company class back in the day where they had given us some cute, simple dies. So those were some leftovers from that. Here's another one, Sending Lots of Love. And last but not least, had to use up every bit of this sunshine card, didn't I? It's so cute. Here again, we have another scalloped circle. And then I went to my stash, my little mini sticker book, and picked up some of those. Enjoy the sunny day. Okay, I really feel like I got my money's worth out of this kit, and I can't wait for the June one to arrive. They've already put a sneak peek in the Facebook group, so you can go check that out at Scrapbook and Cards Today. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.